This is to Tim. The first thing we discussed was what system do we want to play? Do we want to play 5th edition or do we want to play S&M, which was our first system. It was made by someone else and he did a great job, but since we've been trying to replicate it, we just can't because we're not him, and I'm proposing we need to make our own system of D&D. This would be one with rules made at the spot, essentially. Only in terms of our class. We don't need to, well, I'm not going to follow the guides. I'm just going to make my own race, and we're going to work on it as the game plays out. Knowledge of non-nerfing, which I guess is what 5th edition kind of supports, to change the rules, and I just need to accept that if we want to do a rule change. So it's going back to me of... But either way, we're essentially using 5th edition as our base, and we're trying to make S&M. But we're changing the rules slightly, and I thought if we were to do it separately, it might work, but now I'm thinking of a different solution, or a better solution. But you don't understand this, and that's what I've been trying to explain. So that's step one. Once we figure out what are the rules we want to play within. Dick is studying 5th edition, and me and Dick both know 5th edition, so if you were just to learn 5th edition, it would help the issue. There are videos to do that, and I can explain the rules as we go along, which I think is the point of this. But, so then the next step you need to do is pick your time frame. I compute your level to your age. So like if you're level 5, you're really young, you haven't explored much in the world. All you've done is really just your work until then. You can be whatever age frame, but it implies like how powerful you are. If we're college level, like I guess my college level character was, what was he? He's in a world with different governments, or different rulerships, all divided on these 8 ideals of learning, of expanding the domains, because that's what I imagine all of us doing. Expanding this domain. That's what I've explained with this chaos and order. And that's, I guess I'm trying to explain my character within your own rule set. But that's what you need to explain. Your rule set's what level you want us to be. Like, do you want me to be college strength, which I think he's pretty strong, just because it's such an extreme. I guess that's like my level 1 character. No, he's my level 30 character. Or something. I guess 20 character. Or 25. Fuck. Either way. Number 3. All 3 of us need to be doing it separately. So, this still continuing the thing. For example, I've developed my own rules. Y'all just need to play within them with my character. So if y'all want to start off in the beginning, if you only have issues with my first character, then I'll explain that character to y'all. That's why you need to agree upon, what level you want to start at. Or what type of area do you want to play in. It's really my question. You need to explain the rules so we can figure out what version of ourselves we need to play. And all 3 of us will be doing this at the same time to figure out the rules as we go along. So it gives us a break. Sporadic, I know, but it should help create 3 ongoing stories woven together, or maybe not woven at all, probably 3 separate worlds, because there's infinite and there could be connections between them if we want to have like fun nights. That'd be cool. So we're technically creating 3 different plot lines, 3 different universes like DC, Marvel, and Disney. Oh, and once we can figure out how us 3 works, we can then discuss how to find a 4th member, like the Damien, or the Stephanie, or the Cassandra. What's going to be added to our group? Because I guess I can't see more than those amount of people. Y'all have stated 4 is your max. So I guess we only need to add a Damien. And I'm proposing the Damien needs to be more like me and not like Tim, who's more neutral. And I'm really the more neutral science person, so I guess we do need an extra science person. Huh. But we can discuss that, of how to find the fourth brother instead of trying to figure out how to play, then find the brother. Because I want to find someone that adds to the story, not just slows it down.